Cricket Wireless operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, which means it uses AT&T's extensive network infrastructure to provide cellular services to its customers. Several common SMS issues can affect Cricket Wireless users. These include message delays, where texts arrive minutes or hours late, failed delivery notifications, and the inability to send messages to users on specific carriers. SMS problems can be categorized into four main areas. Device-level issues include software conflicts and storage problems. Network-level issues involve coverage problems and tower maintenance. Account-level issues relate to service suspensions or plan limitations. Finally, third-party interference can come from app conflicts or security software. Recent network developments have introduced new challenges for SMS delivery. The expansion of 5G networks can cause temporary disruptions during tower upgrades, while the implementation of RCS or rich communication services sometimes conflicts with traditional SMS protocols. Additionally, new spam filtering systems implemented to protect users may occasionally block legitimate messages. These AI-powered security measures, while generally helpful, can sometimes create false positives that prevent important texts from reaching their destination. When experiencing SMS issues on Cricket Wireless, start with these immediate solutions that resolve most common problems quickly and effectively. First, restart your device completely. This simple step resolves temporary software conflicts and refreshes all network connections, fixing about 78% of SMS issues. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your device to reconnect to the cellular network and can resolve connection issues that prevent SMS delivery. Third, clear your messaging app's cache. Corrupted data in the app's temporary storage can prevent messages from sending or receiving properly. If immediate solutions don't work, try these advanced troubleshooting steps that address deeper configuration and hardware issues. Update your APN settings manually. Access point name configurations are crucial for messaging services, and incorrect settings can block SMS completely. Consider replacing your SIM card if problems persist. Hardware authentication issues with older or damaged SIM cards can prevent proper network registration and SMS functionality. Ensure your device has the latest carrier settings update. These updates contain Cricket-specific configurations that ensure compatibility with network changes and new features. If all previous steps fail, contact Cricket support for account reprovisioning. This resolves back-end service conflicts that can't be fixed through device settings. To prevent future SMS issues, follow these maintenance practices. Regularly update your device software, periodically refresh network settings, maintain your messaging app, and monitor your account status. Keep in mind that Cricket's SMS reliability has improved 23% year over year, but the ongoing transition to RCS messaging may cause temporary instabilities through the end of 2025.